What is up, you guys? It is Bree back again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my daily lock routine that I like to do in between washes. When I'm lazy, it's been working for your girl because I know y'all see the growth. I know y'all see it. We're almost a couple months away from 4 years, and this is what has been working for me. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you're going to need is a spray bottle full of water. I'm using spring water because that regular water that you get from the tap can really actually dry out your hair instead of moisturize it. And that's not what we're trying to do, okay? So I really kind of like really wet my hair. And then I go in with my I Am Hair Extra Strength Hair Growth Oil. I've been using this for my whole lock journey and it has done wonders. And I'm putting it all up in my hair so I can seal in all that moisture I put in. And don't forget the ends of your locks. Don't only do the scalp. The scalp is important, but the ends matter too, okay? They old, they lonely, they need some water and moisture in their life. And then you really want to make sure you take time to massage it in your hair and in your scalp. Bonus points if you flip your head upside down and spend some time massaging it, helping the blood flow to your scalp, helping get all those nutrients to help your hair grow, and blah blah blah. And just up close. Listen, if y'all see lint in my hair, please don't come for me in the comments, okay? I'm washing my hair today. It was a long week. So this is a new thing that I've been implementing into my locks for like the past year now, which is brushing them after I moisturize them because it really helps the oils penetrate deeper into your locks and helps remove some of that extra lint. And yeah, it just has a lot of benefits. So add that into your lock routine. So now is for the laziest part. I'm going to lazy retwist my hair for when I style it for day-to-day use because I don't want to be looking crazy all the time. So I really am just going to do like a half up, half down moment and only retwist like the front row. If I was doing a middle part, I would have retwisted that middle row that I'm showing you guys. But today I'm not, so I won't. You know what I'm saying? If I'm feeling like I got extra time, I'll even do the first two rows. If I'm feeling crazy, if I'm like going to meet the queen or something that day, like she gets two rows. But I really like to stretch out my retwist because over retwisting your hair can thin out your locks, and I'm just trying to keep them thick and voluptuous like Beyonce. Period. Per. And I go in with some water to just re-wet it if it started to dry a little bit. And I just use oil because I don't like to layer product on top of product in between my washes because then you start getting buildup in your locks and that shit is not the easiest to get out. So in between retwist, just retwist with some water and oil. Castor oil is great. There's castor oil in this formula. Shout outs to I Am Hair for that because it really be helping my retwist look pretty decent. My lazy retwist at least. Okay, so that whole first row of my hair is done. I really could have went into the second row, but I was just gonna go to work, so that is what they get. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my half up, half down hairdo. I'm really feeling bold as hell, double looping this because I have an infinite amount of hair ties in a hair tie graveyard that I have broken. Trying to double knot it. But yes, so I already have like some lock gems spread out throughout my hair, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more to add some pizzazz. Oh, and I'm gonna add these two front pieces down because I just like the way it frames the face, you get it. So then, yeah, I'm gonna go in and add some lock gems now. They match these earrings that I made. I have all of these items for sale on my Etsy shop too, and on my regular shop, I think. I don't know. But if you like these lock gems, they're made with green aventurine crystals, and they're like great. They're known for being the stone of good luck and for helping you manifest prosperity, and abundance and just luck when winning games, which I love, and my little amethyst like wraparound one. And I love wearing these. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll leave links in the description for any of the products I use and for these lock gems so you can decorate all of your beautiful locks. And I will see you in the next video, which will be so soon. Okay.